Hello traders, welcome to Strategy FX channel. On this channel we share about forex trading, binary trading and also crypto trading. So make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. On today's strategy I'm going to show you how you can trade accumulators with the highest profitability, meaning that you don't need to lose any trade. So make sure you follow me until the end. And for this tutorial today we are going to use an indicator, so make sure you follow until the end so that I'm going to show you what to look for and when to enter your market. So let's go. So the first thing that we need to do here, we need to come here to Deriv trader. So for Deriv trader we need to come here to rise and fall and change to accumulators. Another thing, we need to change our volatility. We can choose 10 index like that. You can just choose the one that you feel you're comfortable trading. And if you haven't registered on Deriv, make sure you register on my link on my bio, join my Telegram group, and we are going to grow this together. So the indicator that we are going to use today, it's called MACD. What you need to do, you need to come here to not chart, not character. You need to come here to indicators and then search MACD. So here we have it. So it's a bit, let me see if I can. So we can't be able to see it. So here it is. So what we need to do here, we are looking at these stats. Another thing, you can choose your growth rate. You can choose 1%, which have more ticks, as you can see here. 230 ticks. For 2% it's less than that, 115 ticks, and for 3% it's less than that, it's 75 ticks. So we can go with 75 ticks. And also one thing that we need to do here, it's use take profit, because we are going to target at least 10 ticks, 5 ticks, yeah, like that. And the good thing about accumulators is, like all the trades that you can take, you can make a win if you're keen and you look at what is happening in the market. So we need to click here on take profit. So our take is 10 USD, and let's say our take profit is 1. So we won't go with so much. So all we need to do here, we need to wait. As you can see, it has closed that line and has gone to 8. So I usually wait for this one to close. As it is opening, I usually look at the chart. If the two lines are meeting or they are crossing, I just click buy. As you can see, if we have entered this trade and we targeted like 5 to 10 ticks, we could have won this trade. As you can see here, it has gone more than that. So we can choose to wait until it reaches maybe the maximum that it's going, because it's so unpredictable on this. It's also another thing I want to educate you guys. Make sure you can also choose to wait until you see a 1 digit, or what should I tell you? What I'm trying to mean is, if you see 1 digit, let's say it's 1 to 10, sorry, 1 to 9, like 1 2 3 4, without 2 numbers, like this one, 27 17 59, like that. You can choose to wait until you see 1. After that, enter the market. You can even choose to continue with the next 3, because you sometimes, if the first one was 1 digit, the second can be 1, but after maybe 2, the ticks are going to increase. So let's maybe take an example here. Let's just look. Sorry, I wanted to show you here. So as you can see, you can look at the pattern here. Like after 1 digit, there is always more tick more than 10, or maybe let's say more than 10. As you can see, if you waited for this one and see a 1 digit 7, you enter here and then you target a 10 ticks, you could have won. Let's say you see this one, you can see this one you could have lost if you targeted 10 ticks, but the next one you could have won. You see, it's so simple. Like this one, you see a 1 digit, the next one it's going to be more than 10 ticks. You see 1 digit and the next one it's going to be more than 1 digit. Like even if there's 2 consecutive 1 digits, like 2, 8, like the next 2 or 3, they are going to be more than 10 ticks. And what you need to use here in accumulator to be profitable, it's a take profit. That's the good thing, or maybe one thing that is going to rescue you for making profit, because sometimes you can see it like it's increasing. For those people who do Avita, you know that maybe you can wait, maybe you see it's flying like that, and then automatically it goes and then takes all your money. So but with take profit with these accumulators, it's going to save you a lot of energy, and also it's going to give you a little bit of profit. And the good thing, the minimum you can stake here, it's $1. So for $1 you can maybe choose to target 0.5, yeah, or maybe 0.3. Don't be so greedy. So for $1 you can say maybe I'm targeting to, if your capital it's 10 and you're staking 10, make sure maybe you are concentrating on getting $5. You can take 3 sessions in a day, or maybe 2, and the first one you maybe go $1 or $2 until you get your profit. So for this one, so let me go back and we wait here. So as you can see here, there haven't been a 1 digit starts, so it can happen from here. So what I usually do is, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for the 5 consecutive there is no 1 digit, be sure like the next there might be 1. So let's come here, back here, and see and choose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, I think the next 4 and then 1 digit. Let's come here, 1, 2. Sorry, I was waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, 1 digit has appeared and it has followed with 000, meaning it has taken almost all the money. So you can also wait for it. Let's see, let's enter this one. As you can see, it was a 1. I have told you what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be sure if they have followed each other like more than 10 ticks after that, be sure a 1 digit is going to appear sooner or later. As you can see here, our target even have reached without even me concentrating on the trade. So that's the good thing of using take profit on this accumulator. Also for the growth rate, you can choose to go with 3%, because if it's 1%, it's going to take a lot of time for you to reach the 1 USD. So let's just enter randomly. For this one, I'm just entering randomly to show you. It can take maybe even 20 ticks for you to reach your 1 USD goal. So as you can see here, we are gone 5 out of 6 ticks. But the previous one, I think 2 to 3 ticks, your $1 it's there. As you can see, we have gone 10 ticks, but the previous one that we have taken with 3% growth rate, you just need, I think, less than 5. Let me show you. So as you can see here, I have told you what. So 1 digit, this one is the one that we had entered, and then we went out with our profit. So I want to buy randomly to show you how many it have even started, as you can see here. So let me show you how many ticks. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yeah, you have our less than 5 ticks, and then you have your profit. So it's so easy to grow your account. And let's say you're sticking with $1, so that I can show you. Sorry. So for a profit, let's say we go with 0.3. So you can wait until you see that this tick closing this one, it's red, you can wait for that. And also you can choose to wait for this one, but this one it's not showing. It's not showing well. The MACD, let's say it's meeting up. We can wait until it starts, or wait until you see one digit and then you enter on the second. So let's see if we can make our profit with $1 if you have a minimal account, or maybe minimal balance in your account. So we are going to wait patiently. It's also simple. With a take profit, you are going to make more than you can imagine. As you can see here, it's a bit consolidating. As you can see here on the buyers and the sellers, they are a bit consolidating. So let me just buy randomly to show you. With 3% and a growth rate of 1, we have made our take profit to 0.3. I just want to see how many ticks you need for this. See, less than 10 and our profit has gone. Oh, sorry, our stake has gone. Meaning, with $1 maybe go for a little take profit. It will be more safer. Or you just wait for it to start. As you can see, for me, I bought when it was middle of the start, or the middle of the trade. So I just want to see how many ticks it can take for you to get 0.2 USD. So let's wait. 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, our take profit, it's there. So guys, it's just that simple. Make sure you follow, or maybe you practice on this. If you are a small beginner, or maybe you're a small trader, make sure you try this strategy on a demo. Practice, so that when you come to your real account or your real money, you're going to make money with it. As you can see here, I have waited for it to cross red. I have entered, see, 2, it has started, and then let's see another one, 2. So you can wait for this one and then enter the market. If you see a 1 digit, I have to do, if maybe let's say you've seen 2 and then you entered and then it has taken your profit, the next one will be maybe more than 10. So you can wait for more than 10. You can do this manually without take profit. Target 10 ticks without take profit. After 10 ticks, you exit manually with your capital. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you check my next video, as I'm going to be dropping more and more video on my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.